All right, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another round of coffee and questions. What's today's topic? Well, let's talk about this Vanguard 50-foot, 14-gauge indoor-outdoor extension cord. And it seems to have gotten pretty good views, about 4.5 stars up here. And out at the club, we went ahead, they bought one of the guys out there, we took it back, and we kind of put it through its motions, and we wanted to see, is the cord any good? And my overall conclusion is it'd be good for light duty. I would not use this for anything like if you're out in your shop and you're kind of tugging, throwing it around, or you're out on a construction site. The sheathing on this that it's sheathed with, it's like a real thin, flimsy kind of a plastic material. So it can get damaged really easily. It doesn't have that thick, rubbery feel like a lot of extension cords do. The other thing is the end plugs here, the male and the female. The prongs on the male one, they're pretty flimsy too, but they're okay. I mean, they would be adequate, again, like for light use if you're going to use it inside of the house, or you're going to use it, just like I said, for light duty kind of stuff. Somebody made the comment, well, you can always trim them off and put new ones on. And if you're going to do that, I would tell you to add a few more dollars to what you're thinking and get yourself a higher quality cord. You can get them out at the big box. You can get them off Amazon. I'll drop you a link below, one that I thought was a fairly good deal that I own, and you can make up your own mind. But I would get a good quality extension cord. Now it says it was $20 and it's currently got the sale price or whatever running for $15.99. Whether or not you can get it lower than that, I'm not sure. But, I would tell you, to think about this, because the other thing that people ran into, and we tried it, I was aware of this, and I say this in my videos, I will always take things and kind of play with them. And before I make the purchase, I read through the reviews and I see what people are saying about, where the quirks are with some of the products. And then I see for myself, or I sort through them and find one that I think doesn't have some of the issues. Now on this one of the issues was, you can't take that female end, and sometimes, a male end that has a grounding plug won't fit into it correctly, and you struggle with trying to get it in there, and they had to take the extension cord back. So while I was out there, I went over and grabbed something else off of the shelf and played around to make sure we weren't going to run into that kind of a problem with it. And then, we went ahead, like I said, and we bought it. Now, the other thing is, in cold weather, when this thing gets real cold, when you go to unravel it, what somebody was remarking, it doesn't unravel that easy. You almost have to bend it out straight, by hand. So those are the things, that people really thought, hey, I'm not so sure I'm going to take it back. So you might want to think about those things, before you buy it. But, last time, light duty stuff, I think it works okay. So that's a quick tip on this. If you're thinking about buying it, those are the things that you might want to think about. Or like I said, there are much higher quality cords out there. It might cost you a little bit more, but they're a lot more, they're a lot stronger in durability is what I'm trying to say. So I'm the Home Handyman. I hope you click subscribe and keep following me, and I will keep doing these quick reviews as we buy things out at the club and we demo them, or as I come across, good deals each week. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Click subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.